Yo, I told y'all I had something special for this one. So let's get Gucci. Yeah, this is the finished product right here. Now let me know what you think about it, man. Let me know if you like it. This one is a personal joint. This is for me. I'm gonna keep this clipper. This is gonna be my go-to, one of my go-tos. And I just wanted something that you know was my taste. In my opinion, it's not as professional as my Louis Vuitton customization. If you didn't check that one out, man, go on my videos, check it out. Matter of fact, check out all my videos, man. Like, subscribe, comment, do all of that, man. I stay involved, man. I'm getting into it. So if you want to comment, I'm gonna hit you right back. But let's check out the teardown. We're gonna go inside this thing, and we're gonna see what it's all about, man. Yeah, I'm speeding this thing up because you know, I ain't gonna waste your time at all. I ain't gonna waste your time. I know you got things to do, you know, better things than just to sit in front of a screen, right? But that's what you're doing right now. So check this out. You see this motor? It looks extremely huge, like huger than the normal motor. But we're about to break it down, see what it is, man. You know, only 2 screws on the outside, 1 screw on the inside. You only need 1 screwdriver for all of this. It pretty much has all the same size screws, which was, I mean, that's a plus. I thought I might need a couple of screwdrivers. All right, going into the motor right now. Let's take the cap off of the motor. All right, we in. That's it right there. Let's break this thing down. You see the charge port, motherboard, small motherboard, battery. The switch is kind of clamped in there. Really didn't want to take that switch out, only because of how tight it was clamped in. And this, you really gotta get in there and pry it out. Even though I had left the motor mount piece on, it really wasn't mounting anything. Well, not the mount, but it's like a top bracket. And this, the motor says it's a 3.7 volt, 6,500 RPMs, and it says that it was made 2020, August 10th. Fairly new, very new. 2,600 milliamp hour battery. Nice. Alright, super speed. Let's get this thing back together. Alright, I got something special for you guys. Alright, look at that blue light special. Yeah, I love that light, that blue light. Get that out of there. Yeah, I got something special for y'all coming up, man. I got a surprise unboxing. I just got a package as I was doing this video. Let's get right into it, man. Let's tear this thing open. Yeah, I move kind of fast. Got a velvet pouch, carrying pouch. Got the USB cord. And here is the merchandise. Okay. The reason why I normally probably wouldn't have did an unboxing for this, because it's been around for so long. Let's get that out of there. But this was a steal on AliExpress, man. I got this. It's right now, if you go on AliExpress, matter of fact, I'm gonna leave a link down low, and it's going for like $10 and change. This specific brand is going for $10 and change. A lot of them companies got this same shaver, but this is the cheapest one, the most affordable one that I found, and I just had to buy it, man. I really don't need a shaver right now. I got one, but you know, I don't even know how to pronounce this name on here. It has like a little leather type of a fake leather feel on the front, and it really is like a soft rubber. It's nice grippiness. Got the USB port right here. It's really not that hard to get open. I don't know why I was struggling. I don't have any nails, that's why. But yeah, that's the USB port. And this is the machine, man. I can't stress the importance of a shaver. Look at that, you see the leather grain right there with that view. But I can't stress the importance of having a shaver in your fade game. You know what I'm saying? It takes your fade to a whole nother level when you hit that balled out, the balled out bottom with the shaver. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'm Ray Smitty. It's Andis, baby.